Spatial Web Shooter version 1.5 is out now. This update brings major improvements, bug fixes, and an exciting new prop to play with. Now, you can practice gestures while watching the tutorial in free play. Made a mess? No problem. Switching to another tutorial will automatically clean things up. This update also introduces something new, the Super Prop. Unlike regular props that are unlocked randomly, you can directly purchase Super Props from the right-hand menu. They cost more web points, but there's a twist. Each time a new Super Prop drops, it's free to unlock. This time, it's the Dinosaur. Grab it for free before the next one arrives. Let's take a close look at it. You can choose whether it looks at you, at the web, or follows you. If you swing its head toward the environment 3 times, it roars. You can scale it up mega big, or shrink it down super tiny. You can pull its head in any direction using your web. Note that it's not following my hand. The web is what's dragging it. In fact, all these interactive details were already part of the dinosaur fight. But now, you can experience them up close, clearly and directly. Last but not least, the most exciting news. Spatial Web Shooter is now available as coming soon on the Meta Quest store. If you're a Quest player and haven't tried the game yet, you can wishlist it now and get a chance to pre-order at a discount when it's ready. Thank you for watching, and see you in the web zone.